We've seen the National Conference, in fact, coming out and releasing its manifesto for the upcoming J&K Assembly polls. This coming in at a time just days after the Election Commission announced the dates for the elections in the Union Territory there. National Conference has, in fact, made a major promise with regard to jobs, saying that it will provide jobs to 1 lakh youth if it comes to power. 200 units of free power has also been promised in that manifesto, and there have been 6 guarantees which have been listed by the National Conference, repealing of Public Safety Act and primarily the NC. They're in fact saying that they are going to fill up all the vacancies in government jobs within 180 days. Listen in to what Omar Abdullah, the former J&K Chief Minister and National Conference leader, had to say.
Third guarantee is a comprehensive job package for youth. Unemployment का जो हाल जम्मू कश्मीर में है वो हम सब जानते हैं. मुल्क में सबसे ज़्यादा अगर नौजवानों की बेरोज़गारी है वो जम्मू कश्मीर में है. 5 अगस्त 2019 के बाद बेरोज़गारी को कम करने की तो बातें की गई, लेकिन उसमें कोई कमी नहीं हुई बल्कि बढ़ गया. रिक्रूटमेंट में धांधली हुई, नौजवानों को नौकरियां मिली नहीं. राथर साहब और उनकी टीम ने इसमें बहुत मेहनत करके एक कॉम्प्रहेंसिव, इसमें हम यूथ के साथ वादे कर रहे हैं किस तरह हम अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट का जो प्रॉब्लम है उसको एड्रेस करने जा रहे हैं.
Right, let me go across to my colleague Nazir, who's still with us. Nazir, so we can in fact see that Omar Abdullah has clearly listed that providing jobs to youth is going to be one of the main guarantees in their manifesto. But take our viewers through some of the other important promises that they have made, or anything which stands out from the manifesto that National Conference has released.
Well, as National Conference, release its manifesto, there is a clear thing National Conference want to raise the bar. They are not just asking about the restoration of Article 370 that was scrapped 5 years back. They are also demanding restoration of autonomy of Jammu and Kashmir, the resolution that was passed by J&K Assembly in 2000. Autonomy means 1953 position Jammu and Kashmir used to have when it had its own Prime Minister, it has its own Sadr Riyas, its own constitution, Supreme Court had no jurisdiction. So all this thing has been put in this manifesto. They are saying this is the restoration of our political and legal status. It is in this they demand autonomy. And then for restoring normalcy, National Conference has promised that it will repeal Public Safety Act, under which this is the act which was not touched after the reorganization of Jammu and Kashmir or scrapping of Article 370. This was kept intact. Under this act, anybody can be, jailed for up to 2 years without any trial or without any, proof also. They have talked about release of political prisoners. They have talked about, this passport verification. They have talked about end of unjust, sacking of government employees and ending harassment on the highways. There's also promise of giving free, electricity up to 200 units. There's also promise of giving, this 12 cooking gas cylinders for the economically weaker section families. And there are also other, social security promises. There's also, promise of creating 1 lakh jobs in Jammu and Kashmir. And it is essentially, if you see the larger thing, they also promise that they will undo whatever has been done in last 6 years, 5 years after abrogation of Article 370 and stripping Jammu and Kashmir of its statehood. And Omar Abdullah also said, which he had also told us in earlier interview, that if central government doesn't restore the state of Jammu and Kashmir immediately, they will go back to the Supreme Court where center has promised restoration of statehood, because the Supreme Court during its verdict on Article 370 had given 2 directions. To the Election Commission of India to hold election. Second was given to the central government to restore statehood. So if we see in many ways it is manifesto of NC, manifesto undo of NC.